Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about live engagement. So you could create live engagement. All you want to do now is to create a live. So there's something called space. So all you have to do is to start to create a space. So I want to show you how to create a space. So here is space. All you have to do is to click on this and you see create your space. So you could create a space right now, and let me just show you an example of how to create a space. So we have something about life. So let's see how we're going to go about that. So I saw something about yes, got questions about Amazon. We've got answers. Join our live QA. So we are going to have Q&A. So yes, let's see how to create a space. So here we're going to who can speak, people you follow, everyone. So we can invite only people you invite to speak. So you could choose that. And what do you want to talk about? So Q&A about Amazon. So we have this, and we can record space while going on, and you could say get to know space or something, and you could schedule space for later. So you could start now. It's just a live content, just the same way we have Facebook live, we have Instagram live, we have all those things. This is X live, but it's just about audio, so you don't see people's faces, just like Instagram where it's video integrated, but this is all about audio, so you just speak to the mic. So it's either you start directly or you schedule for later. So you could do any of those, and you could say you want to schedule for later, and people get to see that you have a space coming up. It's as easy as that. So we are going to just leave this for now, so you can get to know space. And as you could see, so you get to know a little bit about space. This is where live audio conversations happen. So just see it as a live podcast, just the same way we have Instagram live, live vlog, we have Facebook live and all that. But space are audio conversations. Then space are public, anyone can join. Accounts you've blocked won't be able to join. However, people not logged into X may be able to listen. Add up to 10 speakers. You can invite anyone on X to speak. Your space, your rules. As host, you control who is allowed to speak. You also have the power to remove people you don't want in your space. Yes. So X always keeps copies of space for a limited time to review for spam and abuse. Got it? And you could go on and on. So that's the little bit of things you need to know about space or live audio conversations which you could have on X. So you could go on and on. If you are the type that likes having conversations, audio conversations, you could always go live. And this increase the visibility of your accounts. People get to know you more. People get to know like you as a person. You could actually spark curiosity through your audio conversation. People want to know more about you. If you sound so intelligent and all that, you could join other people's live space and contribute to their live spaces and all that. So that is how to use live space for your growth, and you are going to be able to use space on X to start an audio conversation live where people can join, a lot of people can join, and that is how to go about using that to create content for yourself or for your brand. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.